Om Shanti, Morning Murli, 10th June. Sweet letter of Bab Dada for sweet children. Essence. Sweet children always have the intoxication that you are being showered with the rain of knowledge by the Father, the ocean of knowledge, and that you will become pure by this and return to your great home. Sweet children always have the intoxication that you are being showered with the rain of knowledge by the Father, the ocean of knowledge, and that you will become pure by this and return to your great home. Question: on what basis will the faith of you children continue to become even stronger? On what basis will the faith of you children continue to become even stronger? Answer: as the chaos increases in the word and your divine tree continues to grow, the more your hearts will move away from the old word and the stronger your faith will continue to become. The more your hearts will move away from the old word and the stronger your faith will continue to become. Service will happen at a very fast pace. If you continue to pay attention to dharana, the enthusiasm in your intellects will increase and you will stay in limitless happiness. Om Shanti. It is not necessary to tell the children every day to remember Shiv Baba. You children understand that you are Shiv Baba's children. There is no need to tell you. Shiv Baba is teaching us through this one. This is the rain of knowledge from the ocean of knowledge. It is in the children's intellects that there is now the rain of knowledge over them. I shower the rain of knowledge only over those who become Brahmans. I come face to face with the children, and the children are now sitting face to face with me. Baba repeatedly increases your intoxication of sitting face to face with him. Maya then brings your intoxication down. She reduces the intoxication of some a little and that of others completely. You children know that you have come to the ocean to be refreshed. That is, to imbibe points from the Murlis and take directions. We are sitting in front of him. The rain of this ocean of knowledge only occurs once. The Father comes to purify the impure. People also sing this praise. Which praise? O purifier, come. You will not call out in this way in the golden age. There you will have already become pure through the rain of knowledge from the ocean of knowledge. Together with knowledge there is disinterest. Disinterest in what? The intellect has disinterest in the old impure world. The intellects of you children understand that you are now going to the new world and that you must renounce the old word. People have used the word disinterest for this. When Baba builds a new house, the intellect's yoga is removed from the old and attached to the new. You feel that old one should be demolished so that you can go to the new one. You children to feel inside that heaven should be established soon so that you can go home quickly and then be happy. First of all, we will return home with the bridegroom. This is the parents' home. It is a small home. That one is the great home of the great Father. So you know that is the home of all souls. This is only in the intellects of you children, not in anyone else's intellects. Previously there was darkness and now there is light. You also understand that not everyone will take this knowledge. Everyone will definitely return home. It is in the intellects of you children that you are now returning to your home. You are becoming worthy by following Shrimat. You have to become worthy in order to go to heaven. So firstly, remember me so that your sins can be absolved, and secondly, spin the discus. How does the word cycle turn? What is its duration? Who comes at what time? The father sits here and explains all of this. When they say that human beings take 8.4 million births, does that mean that everyone takes that many births? You now understand there are only 84 births and that there is this calculation. Not everyone will take 84 births. Souls continue to take rebirth from the beginning. At the end, there are even those who only take 1 or 2 births. Those who come at the beginning take 84 births. For instance, Lakshmi and Narayan. People go to their temple, but they don't know anything. They simply say that they are going to have a glimpse of the god and goddess. They don't even know how their kingdom is established, nor do they know the occupation of those they worship. So, of what use is that worship? No use. This is why it is called blind faith. They do penance, tapasya, and go on pilgrimages, etc., thinking that they will find the path to meet God. But no one can find God through any of that. Some come here and also go to the Jagdamba temple for a glimpse, and so Baba understands that nothing has entered their intellects. All of your desires are now being fulfilled. The part of Jagdamba is now being played accurately. Definitely the part of Jagdamba is very high. First is Lakshmi and then Narayan. This is your last birth and the karmic accounts are being settled here. You have to become free by setting all your karma and also stay in remembrance of the Father. In fact, you children should only remember the one Father. If you remember a bodily being, your time is wasted. It is not possible for anyone to remember Baba constantly. There are no such things that could be remembered constantly. Even a wife cannot remember her husband constantly. Surely, when she is preparing food or taking care of the children, she is not remembering her husband. However, here you have to practice being in constant remembrance so that your stage will be such at the end that you only remember the one. This is an important examination. There is great praise of the 8 jewels. When people experience bad omens, they wear a ring of 8 jewels. At the end, there should be remembrance of only the one Father. For that, the lines of your intellects have to be absolutely clear and no one else should be remembered. For only then will you be able to become beads of the rosary. There is a lot of praise of the 9 jewels. So now let there be the practice of constant remembrance. At the moment, scarcely anyone remembers Baba for even 2 or 3 hours. As the chaos in the world increases, to that extent, you will continue to have faith and your hearts will continue to break away from the old world. Many will die. The intellect says that Maya is a very old enemy. There is no place where there are no enemies. You children are now changing from dirty to clean. You children are now changing from dirty to clean. You have the understanding that you must not eat food cooked by impure people. It is also said, as is the food, so is the mind. Sin accumulates for those who buy bad things, for those who prepare it, and also for those who eat it. The Father explains everything very clearly. You children return after being refreshed here throughout the day. Let the word cycle turn around in your intellects and also remember your home. When you return from here to your worldly homes, your stage is affected because you receive such company. Even while sitting here, the intellects of yoga of some wanders outside, and this is why they are unable to have dharana fully. The Unlimited Father sits here and explains to you souls, you are a soul. You are a soul and you perform actions through your body. You understand that you are taking Shrimad from Baba and claiming your fortune of the kingdom once again. So how happy you should be? It is remembered. Ask the children of the Lord of the gopis about super senses joys. What is remembered? Ask the children of the Lord of the gopis about super senses joy. As your stage becomes higher, as expansion continues, the mercury of your happiness will continue to rise and your faith will continue to become stronger. As you continue to pay attention to your dharana, the enthusiasm in your intellects will continue to increase. As time goes by, service will move at a very fast pace. You have to create such methods that someone will be struck by an arrow. The main thing is to give the Father's introduction. You receive an unlimited inheritance from the Unlimited Father. He is also the ocean of knowledge. It is only with knowledge that human beings become pure. That same Father is the purifier. Just take up the one point of how devotion cannot continue with the notion of omnipresence. This has to be explained very clearly. Those people say that destruction takes place through our knowledge. You also say that the flames of destruction will emerge from this sacrificial fire of knowledge of Rudra. Therefore, they are also right. However, even if they don't understand, what else would there be other than destruction? Destruction took place a cycle ago too. God speaks, all of this will be sacrificed into the sacrificial fire of knowledge of Rudra. Those people think that your knowledge is like this, and that is why they oppose you. They believe that they will find God by doing a lot of devotion. We also say that those who have done a lot of devotion have found God. However, for people to understand these things, a lot of effort needs to be made on them. A cycle ago too, you children changed hell into heaven with the Father's help. And so the destruction of hell must have also taken place. Only when hell is destroyed can heaven be established. So you can also explain that Bharat truly was pure. People of all religions would agree that there definitely was heaven. Ancient means that which is the oldest. And so that must have been heaven. That which has become old also have to become new. This is in the intellects of you children. There was definitely the kingdom of deities, but it no longer exists. They are once again carrying out the establishment of the original deity religion. With whose help? With whose help? Of the one who is the incorporeal Bapuji, Father of all souls. He is the Father of all souls. You understand all of these things. You are so ordinary. The Father says, I am Lord. I am also the Lord of the poor. You are poor. What do you have? What do you have? You have sacrificed everything for Bharat. Your war with Ravan is so great. You are Shakti army. It is also sung solutions to the mother. Impure ones praise the pure ones. So which mother are they referring to? They think that it is the Mother Earth. But it refers to those who live on earth. There is Jagdamba, and so there are also her children. The Dilwala temple is the memorial that has been built. There are Kumars and also half Kumaris who are also called mother. You say, Baba, we are Brahma Kumars and Kumaris. So call us your children. Call us your children, not mothers. We are Kumaris. These are deep things that require understanding, but people are not able to take them in. The consciousness of their previous births have been instilled and does not break. The consciousness of their previous births have been instilled and does not break. It is in your intellects that Shiv Baba is sitting in front of you and speaking to you souls. The Father has entered this body. Baba comes and performs divine alaukic activity. Baba comes and performs divine alaukic activity. He teaches impure ones in order to purify them. There has to be accurate remembrance. Accurate remembrance. Shiv Baba, the purifier, is teaching us. The purifier is the highest of all. He is the father and also the teacher. The first word that emerges should be purifier. People remember him and say, Oh God, the Father, come and teach us Raj Yoga once again. The Father also says, I am teaching you easy knowledge once again. There is no question of books, etc. in this. However, people have mentioned these names. The Father is now teaching you to make you worthy. You are given new points every day. The Gita and the Granth, etc. don't contain any addition or editing. They say the very same things. However, there are additions and some things are also edited. You are given new points every day. This knowledge is very wonderful. It is not contained in any scripture. What? Lust is the greatest enemy. Lust is the greatest enemy. God speaks, forget everyone as well as your own bodies and remember the only one. I will take all of you souls back home. I am the immortal image, the death of all deaths. I have come to take all the children home, so you should be happy. You understand that you are now to return home. So become clever quickly and claim your inheritance from Baba. The war will not begin until then. Baba says, I cannot do anything. Rehearsals will take place first. As yet, the rulers have not come. You can also explain about Rajasthan, the land of kings. Ask them, do you know why this term Rajasthan is used? Ask them. It used to be the kingdom of Lakshmi and Narayan in Bharat. That Rajasthan means land of kings has to be established once again, and so it is being established now. We know this, but only when this enters your intellect will your mercury of happiness rise. On the path of devotion, they built temples to those deities. There was so much wealth in Bharat. We are once again making into the divine land of kings. So come and understand these matters. Come and understand these matters. Let there be such enthusiasm for explaining this. This is also a seminar. Baba has explained how you should do service. How you should do service. The Kumaris, the mothers, and also the brothers all listen together. One God, not Krishna, is the highest on high. So you can explain about Rajasthan. Definitely there was Rajasthan, the land of kings, and temples have been built to them. We are creating that once again. We are creating that once again. The father is teaching us Raj Yoga. You must also try this. Then for half a cycle you will not need to cry. By following Ram's Shrimad, you are conquering Ravan. If they listen to such words, it will touch them, and those who are struck by an arrow will come to understand. Baba hold this unlimited seminar every day. Baba hold this unlimited seminar every day. This is a seminar of souls and the supreme souls. This is a seminar of souls and the supreme souls. Acha. To the sweetest, beloved, long lost and now found children, love, remembrance and good morning from the mother, the father, Bap Dada. The spiritual father says namaste to the spiritual children, and we spiritual children says namaste, good morning to our sweetest spiritual father. Essence for dharana. First, in order to become free from the suffering of karma, stay in remembrance of the one father. Don't waste time remembering any bodily being. Keep the line of your intellect very clear. Second, eat very pure food. As is the food, so is the mind. Therefore, don't eat food prepared by the impure people. So you must make your intellect clean. You must make your intellect clean. Today's blessing, feel Baba's hand on your head and take blessing. May you be constantly wealthy with spiritual sympathy and make everyone content with it. May you be constantly wealthy with spiritual sympathy and make everyone content with it. In today's world, there are many with wealth. But the greatest wealth that is needed is sympathy. Whether rich or poor, people today don't have sympathy. You have the wealth of sympathy, and so it does not matter if you don't give anything else to others. For you can make everyone content with sympathy. Your spiritual sympathy is in terms of your spiritual connection. Your spiritual sympathy is in terms of your spiritual connection. With this spiritual sympathy, you can satisfy everyone in terms of their body, mind, and wealth. With this spiritual sympathy, you can satisfy everyone in terms of their body, mind, and wealth. Slogan: make courage your companion in every task, and you will definitely be successful. Make courage your companion in every task, and you will definitely be successful. Om Shanti. Thank you, Baba.